Hey lash artists! If you are offering lash extensions, have you ever considered adding lash lift to your services? Lash lift are an easy, high-profit services that require less time, fewer tools, and minimal effort compared to extensions. Today, I'm sharing my step-by-step lash lift process plus tips I have learned through experience, so you can master this skill and boost your income. Let's dive in. Before starting, I always clean the eye area properly, whether it's a lash lift or extensions. This step is essential because the dirt accumulates on our lashes all day. I use lash tape to keep the lower lashes in place, making it easier to work. Next, I place a lip rod on the eyelid and apply the lash adhesive evenly. Pro tips here is secure the rod with the lash tape for a better hold. I use a lash comb to brush each lash onto the rod. Make sure that they stick straight and evenly. Tips here is if the lashes aren't sticking, wait a few more seconds for the glue to get tacky before brushing again. I apply the first lotions along the lash root. Then I cover the lashes with cling wrap and leave them for 20 to 25 minutes depending on the thickness of client's natural lashes. After the time is up, I wipe off the first lotions with a damp cotton pad. Then I apply step 2, setting lotions and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after a nap, my client will wake up with gorgeous lashes. Using a damp cotton pad, I gently wipe away any leftover products. Then I apply collagen essence to hydrate and strengthen the lashes, keeping them shiny and healthy. Yes, my client's lashes are beautifully lifted, look super natural, no damage, irritations or discomfort, just a flawless lift. Lash lifts are one of the easiest ways to increase your income as a lash artist. Less time, fewer products, still high profits, and if you are not offering this service yet, you are leaving money on the table. If you need lash lift tools, check the link in bio, visit our website or DM us on Facebook, Insta as CIULA LASH. Once you master a pro lash lifting technique, follow, subscribe, and turn on notifications for expert tips. Got questions? Drop in the comment down below and I'm here to help. So I will see you in the next video.